Meteorologist Juan Acuna, he's joining us now with a look at the weather. Juan.
That's right. We're going to have lots of humidity for today, lots of wind across the region as well. And that's what tops our weather story for us. Warm and definitely on the windy side. If you have outdoor activities planned for today, you may want to compensate for that wind because it's really going to be out there. We have wind advisories posted for all coastal locations. That will last until 7 o'clock later on this evening. However, we do have a little bit of some rainfall to talk about. The first round will come in on Thursday with the weak little frontal boundary. We'll look for some isolated showers, thunder showers. In fact, each day, even for today, going on into Thursday, Friday, I think we have each day at least a stray opportunity for a shower or two. Most of it stays off to the west for today, especially with the wind in place. And then as we head on into the Saturday time frame, late Friday on into Saturday, we're going to have an upper level low that's going to stall over South Texas, eventually kick up to the northeast. But as it does so, it will bring around to some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. But for today, though, the opportunity for storms remains far removed from us. As you can see, a slight risk of severe weather essentially from Del Rio up to San Angelo, into Dallas, Fort Worth, and into the Oklahoma City area. We can just look for a marginal risk of severe weather for the far inland areas, and that's again to the northwest of the Cotulla area. And notice for today, only a couple of stray little isolated showers. Given the amount of moisture that's in the air, it's pretty much a given for us. That comes down as we head on into the midnight hour. But then, as that frontal boundary stalls across South Texas, excuse me, as we go into Thursday morning and on into the Thursday midday time frame, that's when we'll pick up some isolated to scattered shower activity, and that pretty much stays with us as we go on into Friday and on into Saturday as well. Right now, we do have a little bit of cloud coverage to start us off, but already a severe thunderstorm watch box in northern parts of the state, stretching on into Oklahoma. But there's the upper level disturbance. This is the big what if as we head into the next 3 to 4 days for us here. For now, the forecast is to bring that south and move into northern parts of Mexico, but it's going to break away from the upper level support that it has right now. And you can see that here on the future tracker in the upper levels of the atmosphere right now. That moves into West Texas as we go into tomorrow afternoon. Still going to be enough energy to push that weak frontal boundary in place, but then it stays to the west of us on Friday and on into Saturday as well. That's when it'll start to kick up to the north. So as long as that's off to the west of us, rainfall chances are pretty much going to be staying with us. So you want to keep an eye on that, of course, as we head into Buck days as well. And if you want to look at the radar map, see what weather alerts we have in place, don't forget that we have our free Storm Shield weather app. You can download it on Google Play, on the App Store as well, and we have that available for you free of charge. Middle to upper 70s across the coastal bend this morning, and as we look at the hourly forecast, despite some cloud coverage, despite some wind, we are still going to get into the mid 80s this afternoon. So again, 85 today, isolated thunderstorms with that weak frontal boundary tomorrow, still 86, 81 on Friday, only a stray shower, but it does pick up to isolated late Friday on into early parts of Saturday, 78 there, and more sunshine as we head on into Sunday and Monday. Paula.